Hey everyone, in this video, I am bringing you the latest job opportunities you can apply for right now before they close. I will quickly cover eligibility, key details, and how to apply. So, our first job update is about the entity data. So, from here, they are hiring for the analyst or a junior analyst in supply chain planning. So, their required skills are C Sharp or Python or Java. So, in the responsibilities, they have clearly mentioned responsibilities should be system maintenance and enhancement, application development and implementation, quality assurance, issue resolution, and continuous learning. And their required qualifications are BTech in CSC, BTech in CSC, and also master's degree in CSC. So these are their education qualifications, and experience is 0 to 6 years of relative experience. So by this means we can see this as a fresher opportunity. Freshers can apply this because they have mentioned 0 to 6 years, and their required technical skills are a strong foundation in OOPS in any one of the language like C Sharp or Python or Java. Any one of the three languages, you should have strong foundation in OOPS and working knowledge of JavaScript and SQL, and working knowledge of Python for building and maintaining LLM based applications. So these all are the points they want. So if you have these skills, then apply right now. The link will be provided in the description. And if you go to next job, and the next job is Alight. They are also hiring for the junior analyst to finance and accounting, and these skills required are good verbal and written communication skills, and experience is minimum 0 to 6 months of financial domain. Means a fresher can also apply this, and understanding of MS Office intermediate skill is intermediate, so you don't have to be fully proficient in this. Intermediate skill is okay, and ability to meet deadlines, and they have all these skills and they have mentioned. So if you have the right skills, you can apply. And the next is Pinnacle Finotech. So it is an virtual drive for BTech, BR, BTech triple students who are graduated in the 2025 and 2026. If you are from a triple branch, apply this. So you should need to enter your full name, email, mobile number, what is your graduation 2025 or 2026. So you need to enter all the details of yours, and you need to submit your resume. So after that, they will contact you if you are shortlisted. And the next is a product intern. It is from the Rupeek. So they are hiring from the last year. So you need to enter your email address, name, and all details you need to enter and submit it. So if you are shortlisted, definitely you will get mail. So for these updates, subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram channel for more updates. So that's it for today, guys. Bye.